Welcome to the Mass File Migrate app by Satrang Technologies. This app is useful for migrating files from source org to destination org, which means one Salesforce org to another Salesforce org. Install this app from the AppExchange page by clicking on the Get It Now button. Once the app is installed, click on the app launcher and search for the Mass File Migrate app. You need to perform a few post-install steps for using the app, after which the app is ready to use. Open the About Mass File Migrate tab, scroll down, and click on the Map Parent Records from Source to Destination org to map parent records from the source to the destination org. Here you can see that the account object in the source org is mapped with the account object in the destination org, and the field that contains the IDs of the parent record from the source org in the destination org is the external ID field. Similarly, you can map other fields and objects by clicking on this New button. This is the Mass File Migrate tab. Here, before connecting the source org to the destination org, we need to follow some steps from the configuration guide provided by Satrang Technologies and make sure that you are logged only into the source org and the destination org. Now by clicking on Connect to Salesforce Production org or Connect to Salesforce Sandbox org, you can see that the source org has been connected to the destination org. Click on Select File or Attachment and select the file or attachment that you want to migrate. You can filter out your files or attachments using this filter files by adding SOQL filter conditions. Here, write the query based on your requirements. The next option is to select Object. Select the object that you want to use for the migration of files/attachments. If you want to filter out the specific records from the selected object, use this Filter Account Records by adding SOQL Filter Conditions option. This toggle is for reconsidering the already migrated files. It will search the already migrated files all well. If you want to migrate them again, you can turn on this toggle. Now click on the Search button. A table will be displayed, which will show the files or attachments present in the source org. Here, you can select the files as per your requirements, and once you click on the Migrate Selected button, this will ask you if you want to delete files after upload. If you want to delete the files after a successful migration, click this toggle on. If not, then keep it as it is, and then click on the Start Migration button. The selected files are then migrated to the destination org. You can access the files and mapped parent record in the destination org by directly clicking on the links present in the Migrate Status column or Destination org Parent Record column. This opens the destination org, where we can see that a new file has been attached to the record. If you want to migrate them all in one click, then click on Migrate All button. Here you do not need to select files manually. Here again it will ask if you want to delete files after upload, which you can select by this toggle on or off, and then click on the Start Migration button. Once the migration is successful, we can disconnect the destination org from the source org by clicking on this Disconnect button. This is the Migrated Files tab. Here you can see all migrated files/attachments records. You can use this tab to check all the migrated files in one place. This is the Book a Demo option, where you can directly book a call with us according to your date and time preferences. This is the Support portal, where you can see all the details of the Mass File Migrate app, including its user guide, configuration guide, and FAQs. Here you can even raise a new ticket for any of your queries or requirements or check the status of your existing ticket. Thank you.